everyone, I hope you guys are doing well. I wanted to make this video on Equifax finally paying out on that $425 million lawsuit settlement for their victims of their data breach. Now, you guys could qualify for up to $20,000 if you were a victim. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can check to see if you're eligible, and you can still sign up. Now, if you're new to my channel, I bring you information to help you no matter where you are in your credit journey. So if you like that kind of information, make sure you subscribe to the channel and give this video a thumbs up. Also, at my website, I give a free hard inquiry removal package. Hard inquiries can get you denied for credit, even if you have a good credit score. So if you guys need that package, the link is in the description of the video and in the comment section to my website, and you can download the package. We also have other letter removal packages for your negative items, so you can check that out while you at the website. Now, let us jump into this video. Now, if you guys remember, Equifax had a huge data breach in 2017, exposing 147 million people private data and information globally. So they came up with a settlement with the Federal Trade Commission, which is the Consumer Financial Protection Bureau. Now, they settled this for all territories in all 50 states. Now, for this claim, if you were a victim, the initial deadline to sign up for the claim was January 2020. But now they have extended the claim for those who have suffered identity theft. And so you can still apply for this claim under this extension. Now, with this level of data breach, they actually extended the period all the way up to 2024 for those who still might have the experience of identity theft and suffer losses for this breach. So we're going to break down some of the details. Now, for those of you that already filed your claim, you should be looking for payments coming out this week by the method you chose: check, prepaid card, or by a PayPal payment. Now, this update is on the Federal Trade Commission government website. Now, for those who already initiated the claim on or prior to January 22nd, 2022, their checks should be coming out. Now, for those who want to get into the claim, or if you already had additional expenses resulting from identity theft or fraud, they extended the period between January 23rd, 2020 and January 22nd, 2024. Now, you can claim reimbursements from losses from unauthorized charges, fees paid to professionals, and other expenses that you occurred while recovering from identity theft. Now, you can use claims like if you had to use an attorney or an accountant, that will count under your claim for your recovery, and you can receive up to $20,000 for each recipient. You can also include credit repair services, but those companies have to be certified to do that in order to claim it so you can be reimbursed. Also, I suggest you go and look up and use this tool to see if you're eligible, because it's so long ago you might not remember. I will leave the link to this page in the description and the pinned comment section of the video, and you can go to the Equifax data breach settlement website and check your eligibility by entering in your last name and the last 6 digits of your social security number to see if you're eligible. If you were affected, it will allow you to come to this page to file an extension to your claim. And if this was your first time ever filing, you can file your extension here online. So you can process that. And if you have anything to come because your information was exposed online, you might have some issues in the future with fraud or identity theft. Now, this is important to know. If you filed your claim before or on January 22nd, 2020, and you did receive the free monitoring service from Equifax, or if you received the cash payment for $120 or any other reimbursement, you can have that payment amount be decreased even if you experience even more fraud. So you can get the 20,000 up to, but it can be reduced because you received payment already. So just keep that in mind. But those who already did file, I still will file for my extension just in case you experience some backlash from the situation with identity theft or fraud. So hopefully this information was helpful. I'll leave the links to all of these websites in the description of the video. And if you have any questions or comments, you can just leave it in the comment section or contact me at my website and submit your question, and it go directly to my cell phone. So I hope to see you guys in the next video. Stay tuned.